my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Even though we did music videos like 2 days back, again we had a lot of content coming our way. So we have had a lot of uploads in between. So as a gift, let's do another 2 music video reactions in a single video, right? So this song is gonna be Ucha Lamba Kad Forever. From the movie Welcome to the Jungle. We did watch the trailer just yesterday, so if you haven't watched it yet, go check it out. It's a fun one. This music video is actually trending on number 4th all the music trending charts. I'll just read the description and then we can get started. Let me just turn on the brightness. Okay. Presenting Ucha Lamba Kad Forever, the latest song from the Welcome to the Jungle movie. The melody that became everyone's favorite is back to make you sing, dance and vibe all over again, bringing back to the charm, nostalgia and the magic of a song that has lived in playlists and hearts for years. So this is the old song that they have probably remixed, right? Oh yeah, I think I know the song. Ucha lamba kade sone niya, something like that. I don't know the lyrics though. रूप तेरा चम चम चमकानी. I just remember a little bit of it, लेकिन मुझे पता नहीं है गाना पूरा, लेकिन उसका remix देखने में और मजा आएगा. I'll just read who else is part of the song. A.A. Nadiadwala, Cape of Good Films and Star Studios 18 presents in association with Sita Films and Rakesh Dang, a base Industries Group Productions, are producers by Firoz A. Nadiadwala. So these are the producers Rakesh Dang and Vedant Vikas Bali. Ooh, that was fast. Story late Neeraj Vora G. Dialogue Farhad Samji. Editor Nathan FCP. Original song composer is Anand Raj Anand. Shout out to him. Song recreated by Vikram Montrose. Let's see how he has recreated it. The singers are Anand Raj and Rube. Original singers were Anand Raj Anand and Kalpana. So there's Anand again coming back as a singer. Let's see how this one goes. मैंने रिकॉर्ड करना तो चालू नहीं किया, क्यों नहीं किया पता नहीं. Idiot. खुद को ही self deprecation कर. Okay, the captions are on. Let's go. He's got a cowboy hat on.
To welcome discover I am not about another player. Give me just a 1 minute, girl, to make it different, then you will see that I am true sayer.
अच्छा okay. We haven't started singing yet. There's a lot of musical instruments in the background. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Because it's a remix, right? Shiji, calm down. Whoa, 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 whoa. We need this bass, otherwise it's just not good. मॉडर्नाइज तो करना है. foreigners in this video. Shooting कहीं और हुआ है क्या? And crazy supercars. Disha's outfits are really pretty. The red and black. The madness of welcome to the jungle.
We miss you, Katrina.
Oh, we do. We do. In the original video, Katrina Kaif and Akshay Paji had killed it before. Even though we could have checked that one as well, इसको एक साथ ही करना चाहिए था ताकि हमें एक comparison कर पाए. लेकिन comparison की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है because this is anyway new and new cannot catch up to the old because it was a different time period, a different era, and the music still has an impact after so many years. Then it's out of comparison, right? Because it has already won. Coming to the music video, of course, the background distractions were there when it came to a remix, like extra electronics डालना पड़ा उनको. But the overall bass and the main song, the lyrics and etc., it makes you still feel something for the song. That is still core part of your heart, right? Because you have experienced the song before and it still got the magic. And I have to mention this, Akshay Paji has definitely maintained his body so well. It doesn't seem that he is aging so far, right? He has been working out and so fit. I guess everybody should learn something from them. One of it would be fitness. He is one of the fitness freaks out there, and I'm just so proud of him. The way he has maintained himself is eloquent. Talking about Disha, she had various beautiful outfits that we saw in the film, the black, the red, and there was this white jittery one. It was all grey like outfits. The eye candy part of the video was captured. The location seems overseas because we saw a lot of foreigners part of the video. Anyways, everybody is jamming to the track, which is a given, right? Anyways, let me just read the comments and we can end this reaction. This song has so much nostalgia fire, and that is one of the reasons why it still works till date. We miss you, Katrina, and we so do because she was such a beautiful, stunning woman in that video, and she cannot be replaced. And we understood that while we watched the video because even a character should have that level of quality. It comes to let it be dancing, acting, and everything else. Of course, Disha Patani is also another stunning woman, but Katrina is Katrina. You cannot replace that either. This song belongs to Katrina Kaif. No one can beat her charm, grace, and screen presence here. Exactly the thing that I already told you, that it's unbeatable. Disha can't replace our prettiest, beautiful Katrina Kaif. Lekin this is a remix, so they had to bring something new gen type. So that's why probably Disha became part of the project. Anyways, kudos to the entire team. It's fine. Katrina would anyway come back with a better song. When I was 10 years, Akshay was 30 years. Now I'm 30 years and Akshay is 30 years. I'm telling you, he's not aging, right? It's fabulous. Katrina was at a top of grace when the original song came on. No one can ever match that. Well, we don't have to argue with that because people already agree. At least they gave credit to the person whose charm and beauty was unmatched in the OG song. Absolutely true. Let's go to the next song, which is Masa Masa lyrical video from the movie Petty. Let me just read the description and we can get started. Presenting the official video of Masa Masa from the film Petty. This is actually trending on number 5 on the music trending charts. Music is by A.R. Rahman. Lyrics Ananta Sri Ram. Singer Vishal Mishra. Additional vocals Rakshita Suresh, Deepthi Suresh. Engineered by Victor and Deans. Okay, additional programmers Prashant Venkat, vocal producers Sharath. Cast would be mega power star Ram Charan and Janvi Kapoor, Shivraj Kumar, Jagpati Babu, Divyendu Sharma, and Shruti Hassan. Music by A.R. Rahman, written and directed by Buchi Babu Sana. Let's go for this now. Woo! I've turned on the captions. It's a sweet start. it an emotional track? No, it's actually upbeat. Oh, it's got a funky tone to it. Oh, the electronics in the background that's programmed is good. Oh, look at his hands, bro. So fit. You can see his hard work in this video.
కండరాలైతే నెప్పువానే నాలో నెత్తుటేరైతే భూగోళానే ఆపే సత్తా నా సుత్తే విశ్వాన్ని పెంచే విస్ఫులింగానే నా తమ్మిరే చాలోయ్ నాన్నే నాన్న బాలోయ్ నాన్నే నాను బాలోయ్
Chick, 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 chicky, massa. Nice vocalization. Sand falling off his back. Wow.
నిలువెల్ల నాపై చెమటే మండుతుంది నాకై ముడి చమురై ఆశగా వెళ్ళ ఆపై మనసు బుస కొడుతుందో గడవాలే ఓ ఆవేశానికి అరుపుదేనికి చారుపు మట్టుకే చాలుగా ఓ ఆక్రోశానికి అణచివేతాకి
I love it when his hair is open.
చూపగా
Tied is also good, but yeah. Yeah, the hair down is something else. Oh, oh, this is sick now. They should have kept that traditional beat throughout. That was sick. Oh yeah. When we listened to the last bit of the song, I just remembered that you guys told me it's not Peddy, it's Peddy. So anybody who's like me, who did not know how to spell the name, this is for you, okay? The song has a duality. It starts with the emotional tone. It gets to a pacing where you feel like that massa massa, it hits you. And then they drive into the emotional tone again, while they again bring it up with the instrumental background traditional hit that hits you hard. They have just flawlessly executed the electronic mix and then gave us a track of Peddy, with the video being an absolute pleasure to watch because we see our shirtless Ram Charan Garu in front of me. Amazing view for all the ladies and men out there, because you can get inspired by fitness. The level of dedication that he has put forward for this particular film is incredible. You can see that if you have a great mindset, you will have a great body one day, right? And one more thing, him having his hair down kind of made my heart flutter. I cannot lie. And this man, just the way he was propping, the way he was just, playing out each of the scenes in the film, everything looks like it took a lot of work, precision, and clarity of the character that he has presumed in fine quality. And I'm happy we checked this one out. Let's read some of the comments and end this reaction now. As an NTR fan గా చెప్తున్నా, చరణ్ అన్న హార్డ్ వర్క్ చూస్తుంటే ఈ మూవీ కోసం ప్రాణం పెట్టేశాడు. మళ్ళీ రంగస్థలం Range Bomma Avudi Peddi. Yeah. So as an NTR fan, even he is appreciating the hard work, which we already told while we were watching the clip itself. We could see the amount of work that he has done for the film, and that is exactly what is correlating with the audience. People can see it, and so should they. Yeah, Rahman casually dropping another banger. Massa is well loved by people, okay? Who's stuck in this song loop? Assemble here. Okay, I think even I should join the loop because I liked it. Ram Charan fans, if you guys are here, don't forget to like the video and support his new song Massa, which is still trending on number 5 on the music critic charts. As Pravas fans, even he is saying Jai Prabhas, Jai Charan. So everybody is relating, even when they are from other fandoms. They support actors who work hard. What an elegant look, RC. Oof. Pure traditional uphold and a cultural significance that he carried throughout this film, not just for the character, but also looking forward towards the sports that he would be playing. RC diehard fans, who wouldn't die hard for this beautiful, lovely man who is giving you the new movie, Teddy? Everybody go watch it when it's releasing. It already released, I guess, right? Yeah, you can still go watch it if you haven't yet. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this reaction, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit on that bell icon, and I hope you had really a good time with me. Take care, love you, bye bye.
No filter, I got no filter.